What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Delaware. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so, and this method will also work with other states, not just only with Delaware, and I have found the perfect solution with low cost to do so. Now first you should go to Northwest Registered Agent homepage, and I will leave the link for it down below in the description. Then you should go to login and log in with your email. If you do not have an email, you can simply sign up for a free account. And after that, it will show you this page right here. Now you should search for this button right here, add a business to my account, and you should go to manage your businesses or the home and get to this button right here. So I'm going to click on add a business to my account. And now you will choose the state. So you can simply choose it from this map on the right side or from this bar right here. So now I'm going to choose Delaware. And after that, click on continue. Then it will show you this page. Now you have to choose the first option, LLC, and you have also the corporation option and other options in this box. Now click on continue. And after that, you have to set your company name. So I'm going to name it Jaco, for example. And make sure, guys, to choose a unique name that is not found in your state, and try to choose a good one that can attract clients. Then you should select the entity suffix. I'm going to choose LLC, for example, then click on continue. And after that, click on confirm and add company. Then it will show you this page right here. You should just click on continue. And now it will ask you some questions. I'm going to choose this answer right here, then click on continue because I cannot actually remember my formation date. And you will find this page which has some information. You need to read all this information carefully, then click on continue. And after that, you will have this page. Just click on the name of your company and it will jump directly to these questions. Now it asks, have you filed a beneficial ownership information report? So you can choose between these two answers. I'll choose this one. Then I'm going to click on continue and it will show you this page. You should also read this carefully. It tells you that you can file for the BOI for free using this website right here, or you will need to provide the following information: your company's legal name and trade names, as well as your company's current address, etc. Or if you want to skip the paperwork and avoid the complex IRS website, you can simply hire them by adding the BOI filing to your card below. But be careful, guys, this will take more money from you. And I forgot to say that you will have only to pay $39 plus the state fees. Now click on continue, and after that it will show you this page right here. Now you can simply click on finish, and here you are. Congratulations, you have now your LLC set up. So you can simply click on finished, and here you will find the name of your company. And if you do not want to log in into Northwest Registered Agent, you can simply click on start an LLC here in the home page. Just click on it and it will show you this option right here. Now you have to choose the state. It's Delaware here in our case. And after that, you will have to fill some information, then do the payment, and that is it. And actually, this website will provide you with many features. They can help you set up your LLC or corporation. You can also hire them as your registered agent. And when talking about starting an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent, they will provide you with fast LLC filing, 1 free year of registered agent service, free domain, website, email and phone, business address, and free mail forwarding, operating agreement, and finally, privacy. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.